Hello there! Mabuhay! Thank you for giving me this moment. I am Maureen V. Palunpon, and I come from the Philippines, a country where teaching is not just a profession, but a calling we carry even beyond the classroom. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics at Capital University in our city, Cagayan de Oro. I have been teaching for 18 years, and I often smile when I say that because people expect me to sound tired by now. But I am not. The truth is, the passion is still here. There are days that it is quiet, there are days it is loud, but it has never left. I am a mathematics teacher at Indahag National High School, a public school with over 2,000 learners, with having diverse backgrounds, with different stories and circumstances. I teach mathematics from grade 7 to 10. I understand that math subject is somehow students have fear of. That is why I came up with a decision that before they learn formulas, they must first feel safe. That is why I allow them to call me by my nickname, Teacher Maui, because it somehow breaks the wall. It tells them you can try. It's okay to commit mistake. Along the way, I have drawn more to students who struggled because of their special needs. That pushed me to study special needs education at Pilgrim Christian College and earned me a certificate. This somehow helps me understand them better. I have also been given different coordinatorship roles and even grade level chairman for 10 years now. So, I am applying to US Cultural Exchange Program because I believe that when I go out with my comfort zone, growth will happen. And also, I would like to learn how American school supports diversity, inclusions, and innovation, and bring these lessons back home. At the same time, I would like to share the heart of a Filipino teacher, how resilient we are, our warmth, and our deep respect for education. This exchange is not just about teaching in another country. For me, it is about becoming a better teacher, a better learner, and a better bridge between cultures. Thank you for listening. See ya around!